welcome to another video here on my YouTube channel. Hope you're well. It's a lovely sunny day, a little bit of hazy sunshine. It's a Monday. Fairly quiet here where I am today. I've just visited AlpKit in Everesting. Nearly put two words together there. So yeah, I'm here in the Peak District. Just about to head up Surprise Hill and go down Frogatt Lane. So this will be the first time we're going up Surprise Hill. Should be interesting. Hopefully the fog and mist from earlier will have cleared, and I won't have to worry that I have not got a rear light. So anyway, I'll see you at the top. So I just made up Surprise Hill. Surprisingly not too bad. I thought it was going to be a bit longer than that. I've just passed the Stony Ridge T-junction and I'm heading down into Frogatt Lane as we speak. So I'm just going to make the right turn here. Frogatt Lane, so it's downhill. I've got where I'm going. It was going to be my Everesting challenge, but without doing the, because I'm not doing the Transcontinental race in July, I don't see the attraction of doing an Everest challenge. Can't think of anything worse than going up the same hill 24 hours or more. I don't know, 40 times, whatever it was. But if you was thinking about doing an Everesting challenge, Frogatt Lane here in the Peak District, it's probably a good choice. It's a nice smooth gradient hiding away in the trees as well for a good portion of the climb, as you can see. Right, I'm gathering speed. I'm going to turn the camera off. Wow, one of the best descents I've ever been down that. Close to the Cat and Fiddle. Or the Cat and Fiddle was less enjoyable because I was absolutely freezing my bollocks off. It was my birthday back in November. Flying down Cat and Fiddle, about 2 degrees, rain in the air, getting wet, descending down there. By the time I got to the bottom I was absolutely shivering. Still, it sticks in your mind, remember it. Yeah, so I just arrived here at the Monsell Head. On the left shoulder, that magnificent view just saw. It's beautiful up here. Mist has cleared a little bit. Nice and warm. So I haven't really told you about today's ride. It's 75 kilometres today, which is ordinarily that's quite short, but in the Peak District that's massive. Working from memory, I've got about, I think there's 1,999 metres of climbing today. Pretty sure that's quite an easy number to remember. But I'll show you the route up on the screen so you can have a look. So from here I'll be heading towards Peak Forest, Winnets Pass and Mamnick. So I'm going to be going up Mamnick and then holding very tightly as I go down Mamnick towards Edale. I might stop at Edale and have an ice cream actually. So just at the bottom of that quick descent into Monsell Head, just before the climb out again as I head north, and I just had to stop and film these. Don't think I've ever seen cows in a riverbed before. It's lovely and peaceful. All I can hear is the river and bird song. Just went up Monsell Head. Wow. I think I've been up it before, but I can't remember any of it. I don't know, but it was a magnificent climb, I tell you. Really, really good. And no traffic all the way up as well. So, as long as the 20% sign doesn't put you off. Tough climb, but it was a beautiful climb actually. Really, really scenic views all the way up. Just went through Tideswell, up. Really steep climb at Weston with a H in it. just ahead there, look. Really tough climb, really tough climb. One that kept going and I had to back off a little bit. Well, the steepest bit I'm really pleased to have. Punchy climb, punchy climb. Now, Peak District is a beautiful place to ride a bike. But one proviso, you must love the hills though, because if you don't, you're going to hate it. You're going to be confined to perhaps doing the trails and things like that, or shorter distances and give up, because I tell you what, if you love your hills, you've got loads of choice in the Peak District. So we've just gone through the traffic lights at Peak Forest, which for the second time I've got to those lights. They've not picked me up. There is thunderstorms in today's forecast. Looks like the clouds are starting to bubble up a little bit over there. That's the northwest, that's towards, well, Glossop. The wind's coming from the east, so hopefully it's going to push them out of the way and it won't come across the Peak District. Thankfully, I have brought my my new Sportful rain jacket with me today, so if it does pour, I'll stick that on. I'm going to probably stop at Mamtor like everybody else. I can imagine it'd be pretty packed up there. So a quick rest, have some water, and probably enjoy an energy bar or gel. Got some gels with me today, some new Wiggle caffeine ones, so I might give them a try. I've not tried them yet. As you can see, I'm on top of Mamtor, and it's not ridiculously busy today. It's pretty quiet really. Well, not quiet, but you know, sensible numbers of people. Just left Edale and the Penny Pot Cafe. I decided to have a black coffee and ham salad baguette in the end. Didn't bother with the ice cream. Feel good now. Plenty of energy for the last 30k. Apparently there's about 900 metres in this last 30k, but so am I wrong somewhere? Let's find out. Thankfully it's quiet traffic wise as well, because anybody who wants to reach Mamtor to go a bit of sightseeing, they always go through Winnets Pass and park up before the actual climb itself. So coming down Mamnick as well is actually quite pleasant, which it needs to be, because it's quite a dangerous section of road. You pick up some hefty speed. You can say I found Hope, and some hills on the other side of Hope, which I'm going to have to negotiate on my way back to Everesting. I'm not sticking to the main road. Just about to go straight across at this crossroads, and I've seen a diversion sign. It says no access to Everesting. So I think I'm going to cut the ride short actually and follow the diversion. So I think it was at Abney I was going to be going around on the way to Everesting. So I don't want to have to go 2 miles up the road or something. So I've done a bit of a U-turn, heading back to Bradwell again. So I flew down what may be called the Beast of Bradwell. I'm sure there's a climb around here called that. It could possibly be that one. So yeah, heading all the way back to Bradwell again and go right there. And it just needs to go down those hills over there. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Hopefully you got plenty of footage of the magnificence of the Peak District and the Hope Valley. Where the diversion was, it was only under 13 kilometres away, so I was nearly back to the car. So it wasn't much of a diversion for a bit of a short distance. I've done plenty of climbing today as well, so I'm going to put some stats up on this video showing me, start by showing you my fresh and fitness. As you can see, it's been consistently climbing over the course of the last few weeks and months as the lockdown's continued. Just past the turning for Thornhill, so not too far. Now, do I go for Bamford? I can't remember. Got any questions, comments? What are your plans for the next weekend, summer solstice? Anybody doing a long ride or a sneaky camping weekend? Let me know in the comments below. I won't tell anybody, honestly. Anyway, for me, take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.